second half especially, and their kids didn't quit. And we told the kids, every game in this district, it's going to be tough. You know, just because you get up 17-0 on somebody, game's not over. There's 4 quarters, and you better play all 4.
What did they throw at you that enabled them to get back in the game, Langham Creek?
Guffey's first run goes for 9 yards, but it would not be that easy for the 4-star prospect. Strake Jesuit's D is led by Oklahoma commit David King, number 90. He joins Patrick Blizzard with Stuff McGuffey in the backfield. But for